When designing your solar panel system, there's going to be 4 important factors. Number 1, the number of solar panels. Number 2 is the azimuth. This is which direction the solar panels are facing. South-facing roofs are going to be the best for solar panels. The sun rises in the east and it circulates on the south of the globe and sets in the west. East-west is also great for solar panels. If you have an east-facing roof, it's going to capture all of the morning exposure to the sun. The west face is going to capture all of the afternoon and into the evening. Number 3 is going to be the pitch of your roof. Do you have a flat roof? Do you have a 90-degree angle roof? Do you have a 20-degree roof? Is it east-west? We're going to identify this with the Aurora software. Number 4 is going to be the solar axis. Solar panels are going to produce the most in optimal spots away from shading. So you're interested in solar, but how do you know if your home qualifies? We use Aurora software and it's going to break down these 4 steps for you. Once you pass these 4 qualifications, you're ready for solar panels.